What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, welcome back to another shit show. Before anything, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And yeah, I'm pissed the fuck off. Like, for real, for real. Yo, first, my ground breaks. I fix it, replace it. Now it's gone completely. Like, no ground at all. Now I'm stranded. Car not running. I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about. And I'm just so pissed right now. It's not even funny, yo. But let's see what we could do about this, yo. I've been to a couple AutoZones and none of them really have it. So let's check another one and let's see what we could do, because yo, I'm stranded right now. And then on top of that, let me show you guys something else. Let me just show you. My trunk latch is broken. So I got a ratchet strap. Feel me? Like, if I take this ratchet strap off, the trunk just stays open. I gotta replace that. And let me open the hood for you guys and show you. And as you can see, the ground is missing. See, no wire at all. See? Nothing. That's just low. See? Good? No good. And just because of that, the car's getting no power. And yeah, so I'm fucked. Don't know what to do because I can't find the ground. I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick and see if they have it, because I've been to a couple different ones and they don't have it. Pissed off. So yeah, guys, found the terminal. For some reason, yo, this AutoZone had it. Thank the Lord. This is the one I need, as you can see there. And then the other side has the right there. You can see the, you know, exactly where that one is at. Put that there. And you got some GoPro action going on. So you ever see the shovel again? Pretty much it. So yeah, guys, here we go again. Let's remove this real quick. That one right there is basically, I think it's a 10 mil. Well, that's what I've been using, to be honest with you guys. I have no clue. Maybe I'm stripping it. You know, one of you guys will let me definitely know in the comments. Oh snap! Yeah, that's funny. Let's not put that there. Ow! What the hell? There we go. I swear, like, literally almost like every day this week I've been getting my hands dirty. You know what? Let's just do it like this. So put it in there. Oh shit. And don't worry, guys, I know. My intake is disgusting. I need a new one. And it will be coming real soon. I swear to God, I feel like all I do with this car is just spend money. Because of this little thing right here, I've been stranded. Alright, that's valid. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, feel me? I think I might run it backwards like that. Boom. Nah. I'm not running like this. Yeah, I think that's valid. Alright, that bitch not going nowhere. I'm pretty sure that's like a 13, but let's see, because you know I'm a little crazy. But let's just put everything back though. No, that's like a 13. Hand tying it real quick. Grab this. Grab this. Oh no, I'm bugging. It was the same 1/4 ratchet. I don't know why I do that sometimes. I don't know, but I felt like there was something there. I still feel like something there, but clearly there's not. I think I'm just going crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm done here. Catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for the love, guys. Peace.